सगळ्यांचं घेतलं.
ये कॉलेज में दिखाते हैं लड़ी वेरी बैड मैम स्माइल
श्रुति आ रही है तो भी नहीं आ अमरीश
मैम
काय कशाला फिरवतो
सर एक स्माइल
नावासकडे घे ओळखलं का
रेकॉर्ड हाँ
पागल की पागल ही रे
सर आता तरी हो सर व्हिडिओ शूट करतोय मी
व्हिडिओ शूटिंग करतोय सर पण घे ना बोर्ड घेतला का
जुना झाला बोल Just a minute. नीचे
साइड में आ गया इस्माइल हेलो है क्या चीटिंग दोस्त लोग के साथ ऐसा नहीं करने का बच्चों लोग के साथ नहीं करने keep quiet now.
It's a pleasure to have you all here. We're glad to have Mr. Achyut Godbole and Mangala Deshpande ma'am as our chief guests for the day. I'd like to convey our gratitude to our principal and vice principals. This order to be extended throughout. I now request Tanuja ma'am to kindly hand over the bouquet to our chief guest, Godbole sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Ravi to kindly.
किसको मारने?
आता आणला इकडला
काय इकडं
have to take a few at a time. So others can visit the seminar or just visit the stalls which are put up. We have got volunteers here. So if you have got any queries, just ask them. Okay?
Just don't disturb.
Enjoy all the
Hi.
students, you know. चलो अच्छा है। हमने इसको यही काम दिया है ना हमने। You saw all the
प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर
पूरा
संकेत
What you see out over here is the revenue for 2004, 2005. We hope to close around $250 million, and target set for 2006 is about $675 million. This is one slide which might be of interest to you, the various segments that Patni operates today. We have what we call as the business units. Okay. If you look at any IT industry today, they will be highly centered around what we call as the verticals. Okay. So you operate in the insurance space, meaning you have customers which are dealing with insurance.
गलत बात है हाँ अभी इस्माइल
अरे क्या इतना मरे हुए जैसे मुंह करके बैठे हैं? ये हसना
सॉरी पागल है क्या? अभी मालूम पड़ा हाथ का नहीं अभी रिकॉर्ड ऐसा करना है
साइड ला हो जाएगा दाम
अबे
वो सेलो टेप वगैरह लिया चल ऊपर चल
अबे 80 मिनट खत्म हो गया
ये है चपरासी शर्मश
विचार सरायला सांगितलं ना
सेक्यूरिटी हेड है निकाल उसका
साला मेरा भी आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है सब रिकॉर्ड हुआ है हमको बाहर निकाल के दिखाना पड़ेगा
बरोबर काढ
बेटा हसवा थोडा
अशी हसले तुला बघू सायकल जिवंत असं तुला बघून दुसरं गाणवलं आणि दुःखी गाणं काय
अरे हम क्या ऐसे ऐसे मिला गया मालवण में लोग कभी बीमार नहीं पड़ते
ए तुझ्या मालवणची आजी टांग
पेन देना पेन
लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई डॉक्टर नहीं पहुँच सकते
अबे तेरे डॉक्टर की नारी टांग चुप टाइम अप तुला काय बाबा काय मी इन्व्हिटेशन द्यायची आहे का
क्या
तुझे इनविटेशन देना पड़ेगा हंसने के लिए
कौन से दुनिया में हंसने के लिए मुंह की जरूरत है
कब शहर पहुंचूगी
कब शहर पहुंचूंगी
तो ते दाबून कशाला हे करतोय
टेक्स्ट ऑफ अरे वो तेरा सिल्वर दिखा ना
चल भरपूर झालं
आ गया सब चल
public sector areas right now. And in PC sector, if you see, there can be applications like if you are in a hurry somewhere, okay, you have taken a laptop, palm cup. Okay, you have a palm cup which has a small keyboard. You are trying to type on it. So there, trying to type on it will take more time because you are used to big keyboards, not a small keyboard. If you are even used to it, the speed you type is low. So you talk to the computer directly and it understands what you are trying to say. If it understands it properly, then it will give you a proper response and your work will be done in a very shorter period. So automatically, as I had said that in future it might be like your standard input will also be your mic with not only a keyboard and a mouse. Right now, standard input is not a
So now we go on to what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence would be a computational part to achieve intelligent like goals. It would be like enabling man-made machines to do that. So you are going to induce machines to take decisions on behalf of humans. Now machines independently are not capable of doing anything. The machine cannot say that, okay fine, if this is the problem definition, then what I'm supposed to do. But the man is going to program the machine in such a manner that each one, the machine is going to be able to take decision. And this is the situation, this is a current situation. Then what am I going to take this step? It's going to be programmed. Just like in a computer, you say you want to open a Word document. You go to file and you say open. So all that is like programmed. It's programmed to open a new file and you say file open or new. Similarly, you can take computer as the best example of like manual machines. This is artificial intelligence. Now, each reason, how can we really call a machine to be intelligent? So, we can't really call a machine to be intelligent because it is man who made the machine. So, basically, human beings are intelligent. It's only induced intelligence by. Now, this is how we come to robotics. How does artificial intelligence relate to robotics? Like, we are humans, we can think. I know what to do next, I know what to say next. But a robot is going to be designed to think, to even take.
Strong day to coming money most of
This is kind of private and confidential.
This is the recording.
So,
तेरे गाँव वालों को
first word on screen.
Sandhya.
Don't disturb. The first word, 15 seconds.
Akil. Check out our special DJ Akil. Yo DJ.
Sir, गाय भी लीजिए साथ.
I'm Clifford from Royal College.
I'm Jiva from SIS College. My name is Sumesh and I am from SIS.
Myself Aditya, I am from University of Mumbai.
We'll have basic tech-related questions. Okay, family life. Now I'll brief you about the rules. What are the rules? We are having 3 rotations here. 10 points. That is the bonus 10 points. Okay, any more questions? There are no negative markings here. Any more queries you can please ask now.
Anyone from the audience wants to guess the answer? No one?
It's bitmap terminal. Oh. Team 3. What frequency range?
अलग करनो अलग निकल गया ना अलग ये नारिया क्या रे क्या कर रहा है क्या बात है हाँ ये बिंदास बिंदा म्हणतो बिंदास एक कन्फ्युजन अच्छा ये बिंदास परत इकडे आपला फाइट बाकी आहे हो अलेक्जेंडर सर जागे हुआ ये हम लोग अंधेरा नहीं करेंगे हम लोग पर्दा भी नहीं लगाएंगे
मतलब फटीत ना कशाला
ए रोहन है ए रोहन
रॉकिंग
हाँ एकदम रॉकिंग या स्टाइल रोहन रोहन आहा क्या रिकॉर्ड है क्या रिकॉर्ड रोहन कम ऑन
पूरा
पूरा ए रोहन सही रोहन रोहन मान लो तुला हाय यस हाँ छाव्या छोड़ चल तो विराज वो ए विराज हाँ छावा छावा ते दोघांचं लक्षात नाहीये ए सूरज
This means the market of PC itself is growing in the pace of 30%. There is a growth of 30%. What difference it will make to you? Again. The hardware market. Now it's already there up on the screen, so I don't need to tell you what is hardware market and all. You're free to ask me any questions in between also. Or the network market. This sector is especially for the technical people. Technical people like you who are grads who don't do a 4-year course but do a 3-year course. It's for people like you. Previously, it was in 2002-2003. It was 2,000 crore turnover, particularly market industry. Now it has grown to 3,000.
Do not disturb.
Security से हो रही है अपना नेक्स्ट टाइम security से हो रही है
We are moving to textiles price distribution. Come on.
Our guests for today are Honorable Vice President Dr. Pendekar and Mr. Umesh Warkhade, the Center Manager for Genetic. They have been kind enough to grace this occasion with their presence. I request Dr. Pendekar sir to present a token of appreciation to Mr. Umesh Warkhade. Now, I request Tanuja ma'am to present a token of I now request Sanket and Kunal to begin with the prize distribution ceremony.
curious to know the results, right?
Yeah.
Yes. All those sitting over there are winners? Do you think so? Guys, what?
Yes.
Okay. Our first event is Nikhil Jain from Viva College. Sachin Yel. I would like Kunal to take.
The next event is DJ Mixing, which was the first event in TechStorm conducted this year by head by Nikhil and guided by Anup sir. The winner. The winner. Okay, and the winners for quiz. You also get a discount coupon from Jet King. Which they can use for any Jet King courses.
Don't move, don't move.
Mr. Unmesh from Jet King, Tanuja Pariyar, Anup Joshi, some other teachers sitting in the audience, and my dear students coming from different colleges and of my own. Sure, even if I would have, I don't know whether I would have understood because but I do appreciate our computer science department and the leaders, Dr. Sushma Joshi, Tanuja Parihar, and I really appreciate even in the absence of Dr. Sushma Joshi, Tanuja and her colleagues have taken up this activity and done it very, very successfully. I do appreciate all the black cats sitting here. That is always our big force. Ria College cannot and will never do any activity without the active participation and support from the students. And rather, it's a matter of pride for us that we just don't believe to others what they can do. We do believe in the overall development of personality. Appreciate all the volunteers. All the cooperation they have forwarded, all the help, whatever needed, whenever needed, they have always been prompt and proactive to give it to Jet King. I also thank Ria College and the TechStorms team, the organizing team, for giving us opportunity to become a co-sponsor. Definitely we'll be looking forward for strengthening the relations. Last word is, guys, best of luck. Take your career like TechStorm has taken. Bring it, and best of luck to all of you.
All the respected members present here. First of all, I would like to thank all the participants for their overwhelming response for TechStorm 05. I also thank the sponsors for the event, starting with the lead sponsors, Patni Computer Systems, then the co-sponsors, Jet King, and other sponsors, Nair Business Machine and Indian Oil. Now, on behalf of entire TechStorm team, I thank all the volunteers, Anup sir, the faculty in charge for TechStorm 05. Tanuja ma'am. Vinayak sir. Now, I would also like to thank all the concerned people for providing us with the classrooms and the other venues available for TechStorm 05. Now, I would request Tanuja ma'am to speak a few words.
Well, after so much have been said already, what do I say? I just wish to say that we all are very proud of our department, our staff and our students. And you all have done an excellent job past 1 month. 3 cheers to you all. For having complete support and complete confidence in us. They give us a lot of freedom. Without their support, believe me, it's very difficult to conduct such activities and many more. Thank you, sir, from all of us. And I must say, Anup has done an excellent job with his team. And of course, the credit goes to you all. You have really worked hard. So literally, they have cleaned the department, sweeping the floor, okay? But yes, that brings out the belongingness that makes us a family. Not just a place where you come, you learn and go, right? And we are really very proud of you. Thank you.
नेहमीप्रमाणे मराठीतच बोलणं. वाक्य एकट्याने हा शक्य झालाच नसता टेक्स्ट पूर्ण सगळे व्हॉलंटियर्स मी खरोखर सगळ्यांना खूप खूप मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो. अगदी डिपार्टमेंट जाण्यापासून ते सगळे इव्हेंट्स एकदम परफेक्ट ऑर्गनाइज करेपर्यंत सगळ्यांनी खूप खूप मदत केली. माझ्यावरचं लोड खूप कमी केलं. तुमच्याशिवाय हे शक्य नव्हतं. थैंक यू।
Security volunteers, please come outside. Hey, क्या है तू security? Hey, ले ना इसको.
Security volunteer, hey, security.
Hey, चपरा से बाहर निकलो.
विजय सर.
हाँ. सर मॅडम ओ मेघा मॅम आता तरी
विनायक सर मी पण आहे विनायक सर इकडे बघा
असं बघा विनायक सर कसे असतात असं असायचं असतं विनायक सर तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल आहात सगळे रेकॉर्ड करतोय बोलायचं नाही नंतर
क्या करू जल्दी जा 1 2 3 हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ
ये कौन सा कप जीते
हम लोग को टीवाई का
निकल नाही तेरे को झालं ते क्या अबे उत्तप्पे वो बंद कर तू पहले बात तो करना सीख इधर तक भी नहीं आ रहा है
सब लोग को अरे हाँ ना टोपी मिसिंग
ए नारकर्णे तूच प्रॉब्लेम आहे तू सुद्धा एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे
आता वेटर काय दाखवतला सांग नाही आम्हाला ऑर्डर द्यायची
हा हे बघ ह्याला होता स्माइल देणार शिक काहीतरी वापस वन्स मोर अरे एवढं दयाने नको देऊ हे गौऱ्या
किती वर्षांनी भेटला कुठे होता इतके दिवस अरे अमरीश
तुझ्या बरोबर मागे उभा होतो तुला
इतके दिवस मागेच म्हणून बघितलं
ए सैंडी
भूख लगी है कोई देरी नहीं खाना बोलो उसको तेरे भूख मिलेगा मेरे को
मैं पैसे नहीं दे रहा
तेरा प्लेट आने दे और किसको चाहिए
ओ मिस्टर इधर तो देखो अरे बॉस इधर तो देख ये तो हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर दिख रहे हैं अजूनही खाणार होता मी घाबरू नको काय असं नका करू रे हा हा इकडे मला बोलावा आला मग मी काय करू टायर्ड असतं कधी नसते काय मागवायचं मागव नाही एनिथिंग यार एनिथिंग माझ्याकडे 25 आहेत तेवढं लक्षात ठेव इतना नींद में क्यों है अबे ब्लैक लेवल चढ़ गई
नहीं मेरी वाली नहीं है ना इसलिए मैं जोश में नहीं है
अरे अरे अरे
क्या करूं
मैं भी चिकना दिखता हूँ मेरे को दिखना ही चाहिए मेरे को दिखना भी चाहिए
मेरे को लग रहा है रिफ्लेक्शन से तेरी बराबर की वाट लगने वाली है
क्या रिफ्लेक्शन में मेरी वाट लगेगी कुछ नहीं होने वाला हाँ क्यों